Hello guys, welcome back again with another sketch of the afternoon. So I am just going to get straight to it. If you have any questions, please contact me. But for the usual crowd, it's good speed for all three. 3 minutes, I've managed 3 minutes for all three of them thankfully. And it was just 3 minutes, so I'm really happy with that. Again, observational methods were applied today, and I'm really happy at the fact that all three are actually very, very similar. So that shows that my gauging and applying the line to the actual paper is improving, and I can actually see my skills improving each time, and I'm becoming much more effective and efficient with my time. So yeah, I'm getting really quick and confident and feeling the improvements are coming a lot more quickly, I should say. I'm really happy with it. If you would like to know more about the methods, please contact me. I'd be really happy to give you some more information. It's a really quick feedback loop that I utilise. It's not just for sketching or different types of art, it's also for any type of learning. I've applied it to my university learning, so is my husband. So yes, it's actually his learning techniques that he's gained over the years that I've now applied it to my drawing. So please feel free to contact me and I shall chat a wee bit more about it. Yeah, thanks guys. And to all the subscribers, all of you are awesome. And I shall see you next time. Thanks guys. Bye bye.